Before you can start using the Microsoft Excel add-in PowerPivot, you've got to activate it inside of your version of Microsoft Excel. And this is really simple to do. I'm going to walk you through just a couple of steps here, and you'll get the PowerPivot tab inside of your Excel ribbon. So what we need to do is we're going to hop up to our File tab. We're going to go down into Options, File to Options. Now inside the options window, there's all sorts of features in here, and I would highly recommend, if you don't spend much time in here, to jump into the options window and see what's available to you. Really, it's a bunch of preferences that you can set in regards to Excel. Now for the PowerPivot add-in, down the left-hand side, we're going to go to Add-ins. Now inside of my copy of Excel that you have open in front of you, I've already got the PowerPivot plugin activated. It's already there. Now for you, it probably already isn't active. So what you're going to need to do is go down to the bottom of the add-ins window. I'm going to change it from Manage Excel Add-ins to Manage COM Add-ins. And I'm going to hit the Go button. So this is going to open up an additional window where I get my COM add-ins. And you want to make sure that you check the option for Microsoft Office PowerPivot for whatever version you have, 2013, 2010, 2016, whatever it is. Just make sure that that check mark is turned on. Once it's activated, you can go ahead and hit OK. Now you may need to close Excel and reopen it. Once you've done that, you'll then get the PowerPivot tab on your ribbon. So try this out for me. Open up Excel. Go to the File tab, go down to Options down the left-hand side. Inside the Options window, go to Add-ins and activate the COM add-ins. Inside of there, you'll activate the Excel PowerPivot add-in. Again, hit OK, close Excel, reopen, and the PowerPivot tab should be available for you. Now we're going to jump in and see how we can work with data models within our PowerPivot environment. But first, once again, activate that and then you'll be good to go.